We all want reliable home heating that doesn't cost the earth, but this is dependent on having good quality water running through your pipes and radiators. Here are some warning signs that your heating could be suffering as a result of air and dirt buildup in your system water. Noisy pipes and radiators can be really annoying. If you can hear gurgling sounds, then you could have air or dirt trapped in your system that needs to be removed. If your radiators aren't heating up fully, it can be tricky to keep rooms warm and cosy. These radiator cold spots are often caused by pockets of air and dirt. Traditionally, most of us would bleed the radiator with a key to remove the air. Having to do this on a regular basis is a sign of other issues within the system. If your boiler is breaking down or parts are having to be replaced sooner than expected, then this could be the result of air and dirt buildup. If left untreated, dirt can clog up parts of your system, including the boiler, causing it to break down and often leaving you with a costly repair bill. Air and dirt can make your system less efficient and therefore force your boiler to work harder, leading to higher energy bills than you might expect. This is why many heating engineers now recommend fitting a Deaerator and dirt separator that will remove air and dirt from your heating system. To enjoy better, more reliable and more efficient heating, look out for these symptoms of air and dirt buildup and talk to a heating professional about protecting your system.